How to log into Hugging Face. Want to dive into the world of AI and need to access the Hugging Face? It's a super straightforward to log in. Let's walk through it together. First things first, open any browser that you like. Here I'm going to use a Chrome. Simply tap on it and open it up. Now head over to Hugging Face website, which you can type Hugging Face AI, or you can also write huggingface.co. Let's move forward with Hugging Face AI, which is at the first. Tap on it and let's go over here. Now on your screen, as the first option, you can see a Hugging Face, and just below it you can see huggingface.co, which I said earlier. You can also see an option for the login in, which is your second option. Tap on login. Now enter your credentials from here. Once done, simply tap on login over here. And as you can see, we have successfully logged into Hugging Face. From here, you can explore the models, datasets, and start building amazing things. Easy peasy, right? Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.